Alright, what's up everyone? Today we have the infrared doctor heater, space heater. So, I'm not sure if you remember the video where I did unbox this when it was brand new. So today it decided to not work anymore. The heating element inside stays on even though I've completely powered off the entire thing. So that's a very weird, pretty dangerous fault as well. At least that's what mine did. Because I noticed a burning smell. And I've traced it back to this. So we're going to tear it down and perhaps find out what went wrong. So this piece of wood here, I'm going to remove that first and see where that leads us. Oh, there's also a thing that holds in the power cable. I take that out as well, 2 screws, this little plastic bit. This thing that also contains the filter assembly comes out. Nice piece of wood though. Wish more things had wood trim on it. You know? Okay, the heater inside is actually quite small. I believe there's only 4 screws holding that thing in. So yeah, I haven't got a look in there yet. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, I'm also going to remove these 4, and I'll show you what's in there. Bit of wiggling, and this grate comes off. Show you what's in there. There's the fan assembly, a board, and then I believe the heating element in there. So what looks to be holding it in are those 4 screws as mentioned, as well as the screws that hold in the 2 front wheels. You might want to do it on its side so the heater assembly doesn't just fall down. It still will fall, but not as hard. You can see those 2 screws I'll be removing. Okay, so if there's any left. Oh, the front. Okay. 4. Okay. So looks like you gotta remove parts of what I'll call the control panel. Here, 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 and here, underneath the plastic cover. So you either need to peel it off, but I don't intend to keep it, so I guess I'll just kind of punch a hole where I believe the screw is, because I can see it from the inside. Something here. There's 4, at least to my knowledge. One, 2, 3, 4. And then the thing that just kind of fell out is the power button, which we can just push back as well. This will go in as well. Oh, okay, the buttons fell off. Look at that. The quality of the metal ain't the greatest. Kind of bent as I try to pick it up, and it's also quite sharp, so do be careful. Right. Where do we begin here? Oh, one of these things is also the tilt sensor that will shut off the heater if it's tilted. Okay, it's already falling apart. Let's remove the top. Here's the top. This is the box where the infrared thing is stored. There's some screws near the base. Down here, 1, 2. We'll try removing those now. And I think the sides and front should come off. There's also some screws near the box where the heating element is stored, and near the front control panel. Oh wait, that's what did hold the front control panel in. Okay. Then there it is. So those will just fit free. almost there. Got a few more left. Of course, there are still two down by the bottom. I know it's not on camera right now, but they are there. And there it is. I did forget one on this side because, yes, the side panels are individually removable. Like that. Okay, so with all the side panels and the front panel removed, here it is. We have access to pretty much the guts of the machine. Okay, so gotta carefully work this out. Turn it around to the controls, or the main board, or whatever you want to call it. So I just disconnected that. I'll need a little snip there for cutting the zip ties. Here's one right here. So there's one zip tie that runs to a temperature sensor at the back to detect the temperature of incoming air, mainly so it can display that like indoor room temperature or whatever, so that it can heat and cool whatever, adjust it. Yeah. There it is, the front panel. There's 4 screws holding it to a plastic bracket. Want them stuck. Okay. Alright, here it is. I know it kind of looks off camera, it's just because it's a bit inconvenient for me to work where I am right now. Alright, here's the back of it. Come on, focus. There it is, the back of the main board. Okay, that's out of the way. Here looks like some kind of fuse or something. Not too easy to remove those, huh? This is, I believe, is the tilt switch. We're gonna open that up. Always wondered how it works. Okay, got those unplugged. I'm thinking, without opening it, I'm going to take a guess. There's a marble in there, and that when it's tilted, it rolls off a switch. You take a guess. Okay, you can open it up. Oh, quite a long screw, huh? Okay. We'll need a little flathead or a knife or something to pry that open. There's a couple clips on the side. Well, I plan to rebuild it. A bit of the knife broke off on it. Oh, knew it! It's a little metal marble. has just enough gravity to push down. Cool. And there's this that it presses down on. And then here's the switch itself. How come no one's made mechanical keyboards with these switches? Yeah, I know, it's a bit unorthodox, but hey, it's a switch. It conducts electricity. I'm keeping this little metal marble. It looks interesting. Cool. So that's the tilt sensor. Most of them have a little thing. Most heaters just have a little, like, I call it a foot. I'm not sure if that's the official term for it. On the floor, that when you tilt it, the foot lifts off and it disengages the switch and it'll shut off the heater. So, but this one doesn't. So. Wow, all of those connectors are quite tough. Have to use some, looks like a pin, maybe push on the little one there. Okay, got it. Then you can slide the cover back. There's a little tab on it. That's what makes it hard to push. Okay. So these those connectors. Let me turn it around and show you this one. So some of them have it. That one, you gotta look at it. Sometimes you don't need to remove the rubber cover. Sometimes kind of just right there. Other times it isn't. Sometimes it just needs a bit of help. So that's the power switch. We can also take that out. It's also held in with screws. Here it is. Here's our power switch, the main power switch that will cut all power. But oddly enough, even though I shut off the main power switch, the heating element still glowed red. That's a bit weird. Probably not supposed to do that. So This is one of the plugs that go to the main power. So we got the blower disconnected. We can remove this board, 2 screws. Here it is. Here's one, a few relays on it. Yeah, you can have a look at that. Ow, yeah, some of the solder joints can be sharp. There's the back. Okay, that's over with. Now, this and this, that goes to power. So whatever this is, I think it's a fuse. We can remove it. Whatever, there's like 2 fuses on this thing. There it is. Okay, now it is time to, push some of this stuff aside. We had quite a few things on the table there. Check that out. Looks a bit weird from this angle, don't it? So we're gonna now take out that quartz or whatever heating out, ceramic, not ceramic, I think. Remove that panel. Don't break it. I don't know what's in there. Safely dispose of it, I guess. Oh, it's just a wire. Okay. But yeah, inside this. Perhaps that's what broke. And then there's ceramic caps on the side, it looks like. This could be one of the heating elements. Because I look underneath there, I'm going to remove this hood thing now. How much full batteries? And, well, I see a ceramic component, which is just like pretty much every other heater in the world. I bought this one because it had like that special quartz/infrared heating system. And, well, it looks like it's just normal ceramic. This duct actually contains a couple of pieces. This and this, and then a curved piece to guide the air. Look at that! Just a normal ceramic piece that you find in pretty much every other heater. Go check out my other heater teardowns. is. There's a little bracket for it, whatever that is. And then for some odd reason, this one's soldered. The rest aren't. So, wonder why. Something special about that one? Whatever. Yep. So there's the ceramic piece. So is the other one just for like show? Just for lights and stuff? Okay, now for the last part, on the bottom, there are 4 screws. This comes off, including the connections for the power cable. Put that aside, and we're left with our fan. So, pretty sure it's an AC style fan. It takes 120 volts, 60 hertz, rotation that way. But, for the heck of it, let me just see if it can run on DC. I'll report back if it does. Well, it doesn't, not for me at least. I gave it, what, 18 volts of DC. So remove the air duct. I would have thought the fan would be wider, so they didn't have to install this duct. Then it could also act like a fan. Oh, shoot. Making some funny noises, but okay, it got removed. We've now have access to this, the fan. We can remove the bolt, the nut that holds it on. Good thing I have this handy. Oh, it's not that hard. And here's the fan. Now, the motor can be removed. Two, 3, and 4. Oh, of course, this thing here too. 5. Okay, here's the motor. Can also try to remove that clip. So I can take apart the motor. So I'll be right back. Okay, not sure how much footage was lost, but for those of you wondering, I was at the part where I take apart the motor. 2 screws. Hold it together and it should come apart. Well, it should. Come on. Needs a bit of encouragement maybe. Be right back. Alright. After I may have accidentally dropped it outside, here it is. Interesting motor design. I don't rarely see these in appliances and stuff. Look at that. And then here's the rest of it. Take out some zip ties. I can show you another view of it. So the wires actually extend a little further in there. And there's this thing. I'm not sure what it is. Right there, that thing. Anyway, it's a pretty complete and thorough teardown of this heater. It's down to its pretty much essentials, or to whatever makes it up as a machine. So there it is. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.